Good evening, this is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Navin Pradhan with the evening news and these are the headlines. Nagaland celebrates 74th Independence Day. Chief Minister Nipurio says Nagaland continues to face COVID-19 pandemic with firm resolve. Governor R.N. Ravi calls upon citizens of the state to pave way for virtuous circle of peace, prosperity and happiness. Chief Minister Nipurio launches Yellow Chain platform to promote local business and entrepreneurship, and Kipire Police Station awarded Ministry of Home Affairs Best Police Station in Nagaland. The details. Along with the rest of the country, Nagaland celebrated the 74th Independence Day today. Chief Minister Nipurio unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute. In a state-level program organized at the Secretariat Plaza in Kohima, the celebration was held with minimal participation following social distancing norms, while activities such as cultural events were virtually broadcast in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. Chief Minister Rio, in his address, expressed gratitude to all the freedom fighters who laid down their lives so that all can live as proud citizens. The Chief Minister said the COVID-19 pandemic has affected the whole of humanity. However, he said, along with the rest of the country, Nagaland has faced the pandemic with firm resolve. He said to deal with the pandemic, the government has upgraded the health and medical facilities on a war footing. He assured that all steps are being taken and more will be done to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. Rio said, as the state continues to combat COVID-19 with all resources at its disposal, we also remain fully conscious of the need for an early and honorable settlement of the Naga political issue. He said the government has continued to play the role of active facilitator in the ongoing political dialogue by making all possible efforts to create a congenial atmosphere for the peace talks to reach a logical conclusion. Rio said the Naga society must stand as one, speak as one, and give a final push to collectively achieve a settlement. The Chief Minister said even in the midst of COVID-19, the government resolved the major differences relating to creation of Noklak district and notified it as the 12th district of the state. Rio wished the district all-round development in all spheres of activity. Chief Minister Rio said, our determination and collective efforts will not only help us come out of this crisis, but help us to take our state to greater progress and prosperity. The 74th Independence Day was celebrated across the districts of the state. In Dimapur, Deputy Chief Minister Nagaland Y. Patton unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute. On the occasion, Patton conveyed appreciation to each and every citizen of the state for their contribution and cooperation with the government for successful implementation of all measures taken, thereby keeping the people safe. Noklak district celebrated its first Independence Day since its inception as the 12th district of Nagaland. Advisor, Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, Economics and Statistics and Evaluation, L. Kumo, unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute. In Mokokchung, Minister for Housing and Mechanical, Tongpang Azukum, unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute and delivered the speech. Deputy Commissioner Wokha Orenthang Lotha unfurled the national flag at the public ground and read the Independence Day message. In Peren District, Deputy Commissioner Senti Wapang Iyer unfurled the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi has called upon the citizens of the state to break the grip of the vicious network circle of vested interests and make way for the virtuous circle of peace, prosperity and happiness for the people. He said this can be achieved with the cooperation of the 2 million people of Nagaland. Addressing the people of Nagaland on the 74th Independence Day, Governor Ravi said the people of the state have a natural right of dignified nature for which all will have to build and strengthen institutions of accountability, justice and fair play. He said Nagaland is the second oldest state in the northeast, endowed with one of the finest natural resources, but is raced ahead of several other states in the region despite odds. Ravi, however, regretted that the waves of positive change and growth seems to have been bypassing the state. The governor also emphasized on the need to build investment-friendly ecosystem so as to encourage people from outside and within the state to have sufficient confidence to set up enterprises. While expressing happiness on how the state has tackled COVID-19 situation, Ravi said Nagaland is certainly better prepared to save precious lives from this deadly virus. The governor appealed to the people not to panic and not to lower guards but follow all safety protocols. You are listening to the news from All India Radio, Kohima. Chief Minister Neiphiu officially launched the Yellow Chain platform during the Independence Day celebration in Kohima today. Yellow Chain, an initiative of Investment and Development Authority of Nagaland, IDAN, is a single-window e-commerce platform developed to promote local business and entrepreneurship. It creates opportunity and environment for small retailers and aspiring entrepreneurs to expand their scope of business opportunities. Yellow Chain is a dynamic, user-friendly, easy-to-use interface designed to create a link between entrepreneurs, retailers, and service providers with the citizens by providing integrated service on a wide range of economic activities, including basic services such as barbers, plumbers, electricians, and also road vendors and local product sellers. One may register through the Yellow Chain portal at www.yellowchain.in. On the occasion of Independence Day, the state government has announced the awardees for President's Police Medal for Meritorious Service, Governor's Gold Medal, and Governor's Commendation Certificate. DIGP IR South Police Headquarters, Nagaland, N. Chumdamo Jamio received the President's Police Medal for his meritorious service. Principal Director, School Education, Shanawaz C., Havildar DEF Dimapur S. Ketoshe Sumi, and Rattle and Hum Society, NGO, Kohima, are awardees of the Governor's Gold Medal, while Governor's Commendation Certificate awardees are Assistant Director, School Education, B. Nalayappan, IPS DCP Zone 1 Dimapur, Dr. Naim Mustafa Mansuri, and Imli Kokba, UBSI DEF Mokokchung. Meanwhile, Ministry of Home Affairs Best Police Station in Nagaland has been awarded to Kipere Police Station. In Nagaland, 18 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been detected today. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnyuphom in the tweet said, out of 348 samples, 16 cases have been reported from Kohima and 1 each from Tuensang and Wokha. He said that necessary contact tracing have been activated. Out of the 18 cases, 12 are from traced contacts, 4 from returnees, and 2 cases from frontline workers. The state has been witnessing spike in COVID-19 cases in the past few days. However, today's case is one of the lowest reported so far since last month. Meanwhile, 123 people have recovered from COVID-19, taking the total number of recovered cases to 1,321. With this, the state's total COVID-19 tally stands at 3,340, out of which 2,005 are active. So far, 7 have lost their lives, while 6 have migrated. Nagaland School Education Department has informed that the Phase 4 broadcast of video and audio lessons for classes 5 to 12 through Doordarshan Kohima, All India Radio, Kohima, Jio TV, and Department's YouTube channel and Facebook page will start tomorrow and continue till 24th of next month. The schedules are available at the Department's online education portal, dosenl.in. All India Radio Kohima will broadcast the radio tutorial classes from 9:20 a.m. to 12:20 p.m. And to end the news, a reminder of the headlines. Nagaland celebrates 74th Independence Day. Chief Minister Neiphiu says Nagaland continues to face COVID-19 pandemic with firm resolve. Governor R.N. Ravi calls upon citizens of the state to pave way for virtuous circle of peace, prosperity and happiness. Chief Minister Neiphiu launches Yellow Chain platform to promote local business and entrepreneurship, and Kipere Police Station awarded Ministry of Home Affairs Best Police Station in Nagaland. And that's all the news we have for you this evening. Good night.